Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to demonstrate how to play the 90 FPS in the Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. As you can see in this Realme GT Neo 2 which I'm trying to use in this video for the demonstration, and right now as you can see we are getting the 90 FPS at this moment, and in this one I'm going to show you the exact steps how to get the 90 FPS in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So make sure to follow all these steps completely friends. Don't try to skip the video, because if you try to skip the video you won't be able to understand exactly how to play. So try to follow exactly my instructions and you will be able to play at 90 FPS. And one more quick note, if you try to use this kind of tools and this kind of applications, your account may get banned in the Battlegrounds mobile game. The main reason is because this involves using of GFX tool and the config file. So right now I'm trying to use the GFX tool application. So this is the GFX tool which you need to download from the Play Store. So you need to download this application and try to download the set edit application as well. In case as a backup, I'll try to explain you why set edit application is required. So first let's go to the settings option and try to go to the display and try to always select with the 120 Hz. So do not use in the auto mode, try to use in the high refresh rate 120 Hz only throughout the time. So now let's open the set edit application. In this application try to scroll down and try to go to the peak refresh rate option, so which you can actually find here. So peak refresh rate you should be able to see, yes, and there the value try to change from 120 to 1. So don't try to change any other value, don't try to mess up this application. So if you are not sure, don't try to use it as well, but definitely if you are okay, try to use this value from 120 to 1. Don't change any other thing. I'm trying to mention again, if you do anything, any kind of mistake, or if you delete any other row, make sure to restart the device. That will be completely normal. So once you've done these two applications installed, and next thing is to use the GFX tool application, and these are the exact settings what I'm trying to use in this Realme GT Neo 2. So unlike the iQOO Neo 6 with the same Snapdragon 870 which has got the 90 FPS, but this Realme GT Neo 2 didn't get any kind of 90 FPS yet, even after the update. So that's the reason we need to use this kind of tricks to get 90 FPS in this device. So you can see friends, right now I am trying to select with the 90 FPS option in the FPS section, and resolution default, smooth graphics, disable, classic, as you can see, rendering quality high, shadows extreme, and shadow distance extreme as well, texture quality high. Rest of the things I did try to select to the default settings only. And now the thing is to open the game. So let's accept and let's run the game. And right now you should be able to see the game. So try to open the real-time FPS meter. And one more quick note, if you still did not see any kind of 90 FPS, so make sure to enable the GT mode. So GT mode, try to turn on the GT mode, because sometimes using the GT mode also 90 FPS will work in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So try to follow this kind of instruction guys. So first set the refresh rate to 120 Hz, and then try to install the GFX tool application and try to follow the exact settings what I'm trying to use, and then try to use the GT mode, and you will be able to play 90 FPS in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. Even after the recent update also, still you will be able to play pretty good without any kind of issues. And now I'll try to show you friends little bit kind of gameplay experience as well. So how is the gameplay gonna be there with the 90 FPS in this Realme GT Neo 2? Please let me know in the comment section below whether this kind of trick is actually working for you or not, so I can actually understand how many users can actually use this kind of trick. But for me, I don't have any kind of issues while doing this kind of testing as well. In the 90 FPS, no other issues for me. And one more quick note I'm trying to mention again guys, this may definitely get your account get banned, so make sure to stay tuned. So do not use if you're not sure about that as well, about the account getting banned. So this kind of using the GFX tool definitely will cause your account get banned as well. That's something you should definitely remember about that. Right now my Wi-Fi is not that full speed, that's the reason I'm getting the low ping value. The ping value is slightly kind of higher at this moment, but anyway, but overall you will be able to get pretty good FPS as well while playing. So that's it friends, thank you for watching the State of More updates. This is a quick demonstration how you can actually play 90 FPS in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. But overall right now you should be able to play without any kind of issues. And still there is no haptic feedback vibrations. So haptic feedback still I cannot
I need attachments. Reloading. Killing spree for the blue team.
right now as you can see friends, it was able to maintain pretty good till now without much problems.
Reloading.
So which is not bad.
The blue team is in the lead.
So quick look at the team match. If you want me to play classic match, let me know in the comments. Next time I'll definitely do the bootcamp drop test as well.
No mercy. Killing spree for the blue team. Clear. Expired. Killing spree for the blue team. Dead. Nice shot. Cover me.
So right now as you can see friends, so that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick gameplay review. So which I thought of showing you for kind of
Not to win.
in the Realme GT Neo 2. Previously I did show you in the Realme X1 Max how to play at 90 FPS. So now I thought of showing you in this device. Until then signing off friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned and bye.